What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Holy crap, it is cold. It was just nice yesterday here in Michigan, and now it's snowing. It's like 10 degrees and it is nasty out. I'm gonna just show you guys just a little bit. Look at this. Look at all this. Look at all this snow. Look at this. Oh man. But look at that front end. It is terrible here. All over the car. Sounds good though. So, basically, I think it needs a wash, but it's too cold right now. But anyways, let's get the day started. I mean, I started the vlog a little bit too late just because I was so busy today. All right, guys, so I get asked a lot of questions and sometimes I don't see all of them. So on this video, I want you guys to ask any question you guys want and leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them for the next video. Don't be rude or be too personal, but I'll pretty much answer everything unless it's really too personal. But the tints on the car right now, I see people asking, is 5% around and 20% on the windshield, and you can't see nothing. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at this. It's literally pitch black. You could see just me, that's it. Especially in the back, can't see anything. And this is the 20% up front. Really can't see anything. Man, I love this thing, and it doesn't even have snow tires. It drives okay in the snow, but we're gonna go test it out and see how it actually does in the snow. So let's go. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna take too much out of your time, but I'm gonna get into a nice topic that you guys probably want to hear. So for you Scatpack owners, 392 SRT owners, Daytona with the 6.4 in it owners, this is for you guys. Or if you're getting a Scatpack or whatever. So if you guys haven't watched my other videos where I went into depth with mods, I get a lot of questions in DMs. So if you have a Scatpack or a Daytona, anything with a 6.4 in it, do not pro charge it. Please do not pro charge it. Do not supercharge it. Not a good idea, trust me. I know that it is a terrible idea. Number one, this is why. When you pro charge it, you'll spend probably like $11,000, $12,000. But that's with labor and everything, you know, the intercooler, all that good stuff that comes with it. So how much are you supposed to make? Like 600 and something horsepower? Cool. Will you be running even 10s? No, you'll probably run like mid 11s. That's how much. That's the quarter that you guys will run if you pro charge your car. What's the alternative? Simple. Put on a nitrous kit on it. Run a 100 shot, 150 shot. You'll run at 11.1 without a tune. Now, if you want to go ahead and have a bigger shot, tune it. Maybe put on some headers, you know, an intake, little stuff like that, which won't cost you crazy money. Your car will probably hit 10s, high 10s, if you can really drive that car. A lot of people ask, how do I make a hook? Simple. You have the 309 gear, which is what every modified Hellcat gets, or not modified Hellcat. The 309 gear is the best. It's the best if for a dig. So that's why a lot of Hellcats go out and get it, but the Scatpack already has the 309 gear. So what that does, you put on some drag radials, you can leave your 20s and put on some 305s, or you can get some 18 Bravados or 17 Raystars or welds, or even they have 18 welds as well, 18-inch wheels is what I mean. And you put on some Mickey Thompsons and you're gonna hook and book. Is basically simple as that. You're gonna hook and book and your car will be really fast with the nitrous, guys. You don't have to pro charge it this and that. I only know like one person that did that. But then it runs with a problem. And I also know like 5, 6 people that have blew their cars up with a Pro Charger. So it is not a good idea unless you built the whole bottom lower of the engine. What is it? I think new pistons. You need to have forged pistons, basically. Yeah, it's just a headache, a lot of money, and then you'll be a little fast. Where you could just put on nitrous on your car, and you could be really, really fast. And if you want to get rid of the car, you take off the nitrous. It's done. Nobody ever knew it was in there. But when you Pro Charge it and go through all that stuff, you know, it costs a lot of money to put it on and then take it off. So that's basically what I'm saying for you Scatpack and 6'4" owners. If you guys have any questions, let me know. You could actually add me on Snapchat at Toxic SRT, TOXIC SRT, because that's easier for me to respond. I do respond to a lot of people on there, and it's much faster. Sometimes I don't see the comments. Sometimes YouTube filters out the comments and doesn't show me, so it's kind of a headache. But yeah, let me know if you guys need anything. I got you guys. It is getting late, guys, and it's so cold out. Let me walk you guys around. Look at the 392 is frozen. Oh my god, look at it. Wow. The wheels are just disgusting. Look at all the snow right here. Oh, I'm wearing white shoes. I don't want to get them dirty. The headlights are dirty. Oh man, look at this. Look, the hood is frozen. Look at all that. Wow, it is so, oh man, it's so bad right now. I hate this Michigan weather, and it's a good time to end the video. Thank you guys for all the support. Like I said, leave any questions you guys have for me in the comments below. I will try to answer them in the next few videos. So anyways, I'm gonna go here. It is cold. I'm about to go get under the blanket because it is just ridiculously cold out. So anyways, if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and browse through the channel. I can't wait till springtime comes, which is in like a month or two. You guys are gonna see the most epic racing, just car meets. It's just gonna be insane. This channel is gonna have the most lit videos. So anyways, I will see you guys next video. Peace, and I hope everybody has a wonderful night. Peace.